Today I'm going to show you how to make a grunge image on any render whatsoever. Okay, I load up Photoshop, as you can see here. I have an image already made for my friend, so let me close it down. Okay, to make a SIG, the normal size is about 400 by 150. Once you have that, click OK, and you have a semi-reasonable space. Good place to go get renders from is planetrenders.net, so I'm gonna go over there. Let it load. Okay. Okay, I have a overall passworded thing to where you can just go in immediately. It's for my school. I set it up because I'm one of the head administrators at my school now, and because I help them block certain items that are not reasonable to people. So type in Cibola, and of course it's right there. Okay, the password is Cougars, Cougars. Hit login. It says welcome Cibola, whatever. Hit continue. And now you can search for anything, so let's see. Let's see. I'll go for a .hack picture. And there's quite a lot. Let's see. Let's see. I'm feeling this picture right here. Alright, you hit the picture you want. They should have another picture of it showing. You click that again, and it should load in a huge page. Once that page is like barely start recording, right click one side, it hits save image as, and just do it straight to your desktop. Once you have that, just go to Photoshop, File, Open. Now just find that picture. And it should be right here. Okay, now you have this good size image. Hit your eraser tool, and if there's like a logo on there from somebody who made the render, just erase it. Kind of clean up the area that it was. Make the box a little bit smaller. Take the image, drag it over to your 400 by 150 image. Hit Control T. Gotta remember this is in Photoshop CS3 extended, so it has a little bit different shortcut keys. So just keep making it smaller till it fits a good size in your render. So you have a good size like right there. Okay, so you hit this button again and hit apply. Okay, now this is where it gets a little tricky. You gotta go to layer 2 or whatever your layer is, duplicate layer, and go to your layer that you just were at, not the copy. Now go over to your box tool, right click it, hit single column marquee tool, okay, click it, and then angle it just like right about in the middle of it to where you can get the whole entire character's colors, not just like blank spots like this area right here. So after you hit that, hit Control T for free transform, and then you take this drag, take the dragging, and just smear it. And right then you have a grunge image. and apply that. Make sure you go back to your rectangular blocks. Okay, and then if you want to add some effects, I suggest taking this layer, pulling it up above it, hit normal, overlay, and like get regular black and white images, and just take your tool, and if you have some like abstract art images, you can just like randomly spread some color onto it, and then you can do white and change different angle, and I'll change it to this. Gives it a really cool effect. And then I usually outline my character, so I'll go to select, or I mean layer style, stroke, and you see it outlines the character for you. Well, the best color to outline it in is either a white, and make sure it's about 2 pixels. 3 is a little bit big, 1 is a little bit too small, and put it just about like 83 or 85 opacity. Hit this this square box marquee tool. Hit Control E when go to layer 1. Hit Control E and it goes down to layer 2. Then go to your layer 2 copy and hit Control E and it flattens your image. Since you have a flattened image, now you can make a cool border. Okay, just like outline it as much as you can, and then hit select inverse, get the filled space, hit fill with black about 45%, that's pretty good, and then you have a dark outline border, and then you're gonna add some text in here like let's see, once you have that, just like get it there, make it black, whatever size you want, whatever works for you. And I like free transforming a little bit, so I'll take my Control T and angle it right there, and there you go. You have a grunge image with a nice border, with a render and text. Thank you.